They must say, yeah, we can't talk to none unless we have to brief the Prime Minister first. Remember, them know when hurricane, them know about them track the thing then. Them know about the earthquake, them know the size and everything. So if him not about and them not talk to him, them can't talk. And him pile up everything in him office. This guy have 21%. Hey, people want to make a big mistake. Andrew, you do too much thing to mash up this country. You understand? We get extra serious now and a joke thing. A garbage him do people within a life. The man come and say, I'm going to play him. I'm going to show you a couple of the damage. You can see school damage, people, the hospital and all kind of things. Yes, still him never know. Him run out with bushrat. Him run out with Queen E. Him run out with Euro mattress. And who again in a midst. Can we see Euro mattress and a bit. Them run out. And him a give briefing like